Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Today I will show you how to build one iOS 7 icons project using CSS, and this video will be really helpful for you. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video, and this video will be also really helpful because it will be containing many of the things which a beginner want to just learn, and beginner want to just learn these things to become a professional coder. And I will be also telling you the things which you want to learn and become a full stack coder. And in this video we will be covering up some of the things related to iOS 7 icon. We will be learning what are the icons of iOS, and if you don't, and if you have not used Apple device, and I will be telling you what are the icons of Apple we used on the devices. And I will be also telling you some of the other things, because if you are an Android or Windows user, so you don't know about the iOS, and if you don't know about iOS, so in this video you will be learning about iOS and the icons of iOS. So I will be telling you one to one thing, and this video will be really helpful. So just remember to like this video, don't skip any of the part, and subscribe on my channel if you're new here, because it gives motivation to me to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you. And also just share this video with your friends and family members, because if more people can see this video, so they can learn these programming and coding skills which I am giving through my channel, and they can also become full stack coders. And if they focus on these stats, so in future all the work is on computer and all the things are on computer, so everybody want to learn these things. So I'm just also just teaching these things through my channel. And also remember to just see and learn these things, and you can communicate with me. The links provided in the description from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or from my Discord. But you can also comment me like what things do I should make in future and what do you want from me. So just now I'll be starting with our project. So now when you've done that, I've just telling you we will be just building a iOS 7 icons project using CSS. So now we'll be starting to build. So now when we were just building our project, so like I've telling you, we were using one text editor which was called Sublime Text Editor, and today also we'll be using that text editor to build our project. So I'll be opening Sublime Text here. And now when you have opened your Sublime Text, just remember to close previous file which you have opened, but you have download, if you have downloaded newly, so you will be not getting any of the file you have to create here. So go to file and press new file. You can press Ctrl N, which is the shortcut key to create the file. Here you have to go to file and give it the save, and you can also save by pressing Ctrl S. And remember to save the file with different name if you are having same file with the same name on desktop, so it will be really difficult for you to just remove that file and to get all the code. So remember to just not to overtake the file. I am overtaking the file in this video because now the previous file of index.html which I was having is really means it is not containing any of the important codes which I want to save. So I will be now overtaking that file. But if you are having important codes, so don't overtake that file, and remember to save with different names, so it will be really easy for you to just uh, learn your codes and just save your codes. So here I will be now writing index.html and saving it on desktop. Remember to save it on desktop so a beginner can understand. And it is also giving me the warning like you want to replace that. So I'll be pressing yes because I want to replace. But if you don't want to replace, press no and then save it with another name. Now here when you are just getting this, just I'll be writing the starting code, then this write this tag and write HTML here and press enter. You can see we are getting all the codes like of HTML if you want. Now here I'll be moving to my desktop, and this is our index.html file, or you can say our HTML file here. Now I'll be opening this file here by pressing double click and opening it on my browser, which is called Opera browser. You can see I've opened this file. Now when you've opened this file, you can see it is totally empty because it is not containing anything here. I'll be doing it side by side from here, and you can see now we have to just write the title. So you can write the title related to your topic, and here you can also see one thing. I'm using the Opera browser to work with my HTML because this browser is containing many of the latest feature and capable things which a user want, and I like this browser also. But if you are a beginner, so you will be using a Google Chrome, or you can say Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, like these soft browser you will be using. And Google Chrome many of the users use, and I think you should also just use that, because for a beginner Google Chrome is the best you can say best browser to use. And also it can contain the things which a beginner want to learn, and they can also just get the things there. And if you're Mac, so you can just use Safari or Google Chrome, like these browsers to work with. And you can also use Opera on Mac also if you want to use that. So here now we are getting the title. You can give the title related to your topic. So we are building iOS 7 icon. I'll be giving iOS 7 icons title. Save and reload. So you can just you can take the picture of iOS 7 icon and just put on this background. I'll be showing you how to do, but before that I will be moving to my body tag, and here you can see this body tag is totally empty because now we have written nothing. Now I'll be making a h1 tag here and writing the heading of iOS 7 icon. So here I'll be writing iOS 7 icons written here, save here and reload. You can see we are getting, now we will be just arrange this, you can say arrange, like we will be changing its font family, taking it in center and making it big if we want. So here you can just make the style tag for styling this, because style tag is a tag in which we write all the css. You can also make another file to work with css, but this is a css project and I'll be telling you all the things about css, and we have to make not another file, just we have to make a style tag in index.html to work with our css. I'll be making a style tag, pressing tab and enter. You can see we are getting this tag. Then I'll be erasing this type text which is written here, move down. Then you have to just move in this style tag here, then make this tag which means you are defining all the things in this uh, css file. Now I'll be just making curly bracket, moving down. Then just you have to give the background, or you can say just remove this, and then you have to just do one thing, move down and give it the font family first of all. And I will be save, and I will be giving the font family of Mont Serif, because previously we were just using Open Sans font family. Sans serif, save and reload. You can see Mont Serif font family we have given. Now I will be moving down. Then when you are just moving down, just you have to write another tag which should be like font size, which should be 15. Just I'll be now not writing font size, because if I write font size, so it will be really difficult for me to define it. I will be giving the text align in center. So remember to say text align in center, save and reload. It is in center. Now we have to put 7 icons which we have just saved. So for putting the 7 icons, just you have to do one thing. Just you have to move here in this tag, then write the background image tag, and we will be putting the image of this 7 icons which we are just getting. So here I will be now going to Google, then I will be writing iOS 7 icons, and here you can just press enter, go to images, and you can take any of the 7 icons, or you can just take all of the device here you can take. So here you can take image here. So now these are the icons. So here I will be taking this, and just remember to reload this, and then I will be writing iOS and saving it on my desktop. You can see it is in PNG format, so we'll be writing .png to save our file. But if you are having JPEG or another format, so you have to define that. So now I'll be saving this on desktop, where and remember to save your image there where you have saved your HTML file, so it will be easy for you to define the path and location. If you have defined in disk, so you have to define the location of this, then you have to just define the you have to define the name of your file. Then here I will be now writing I have saved on desktop, so I don't have to define the path and location because my file is also saved on desktop. Now I will be giving it the name of ios.png because my file was in png and its name was ios.png. Save and reload. We are getting, just we have to set this. So for setting that, you have to move down, give the background size here, which should be cover. And if you want it should be repeat, so you can just write repeat, or if you want no repeat, so you can write no repeat, but we want no repeat, so I'll be writing no repeat because we want it one time. Now you have to define background, then just write that to here, erase this. Now just when you've done that, here we have to write now background attachment, so it should be fixed with our background. So now I'll be writing fixed, save here and reload. You can see now we are just getting iOS 7 icons written here, and you can just erase that if you want, or you can just give margin 0. If I just write margin 0 and padding 0, save and reload. You can see now it is looking good, and we are getting iOS icons, 7 icons written here, and we are getting all the icons of iOS we want. So this was the project related to this iOS 7 icons, and I hope you understand. So this was a simple project, but I am just telling you how to build, how to write or build these icons, and how to get image of these icon, and what are these icons, what are they about if you have not used the iOS app yet. So these were some of the icons of iOS. I hope you understand how to build and how to just build this iOS 7 icons project in using CSS or in CSS. And this was really helpful video, and if you have learned, and if you have seen it start to end, so I hope you understand this video and you have enjoyed this video also. So just I will be meeting next project. So for today, goodbye.